deal. Yeah, to ditto like a few weeks back. Like, oh, yes, I'm too ugly. I'm ugly too. It's okay. Yeah, that's why I'm a VTuber. Quick, everyone share Instagrams. I don't really use Instagram. I think I made one, but I don't remember it. I do have an Instagram. But where I post my pictures is Facebook. And you already know my face, so you don't need it. Ah, crap, I didn't make it. Also, Pika, you're probably the most beautiful man ever. Come on, bro. Stop kidding yourself. Nice. So this is gonna make it. Now I just have to do this again, but maybe like this? No! Yo, Clutches, how ya doing? Devious, what up, bro? How you doing, bro? I'm doing fine. I'm trying out this new cool game that came out. It's called Cassowary and Pangolin. You just kick a pangolin to wherever you want to go. Maybe that'll work. Bro, I really don't know how to do this. So much pressure, dude. There's so much pressure. I can't make it. That's a hard one. Also, I am giving the 5-pack giveaway. I'm doing the 5-pack giveaway towards the end of the stream. So if you like, you can stick around for that. Nope, bad angle. Okay, we're gonna try this one. Oh my god, oh my god. That almost worked. That actually almost worked. I think I have an idea of how to do that. Well, not like this. Okay. You're working, Devious? So you're on your break or what? Ah, crap. That almost made it. I just sent Pika my Facebook reveal. You can kick my pangolin. Devious, you're awesome. Yo, Wyami. Everybody calling you Wyami, bro. Wyami Wheatmore. Yo, what do you guys think about my God pack yesterday? That was freaking cool, right? So to anyone who's watching on YouTube, yesterday, Pika had an event. One of my viewers here who's currently watching. He had an event where he was giving away a lot of packs. It was just giveaways that whole day. And one of those times where he was running the giveaway, I actually went ahead and won. It was a Marvel's race, if y'all ever actually played that game. So anyway, he opened up 5 packs for me, and one of those packs had a bunch of hits. So if you're a Pokemon fan, you probably know that the hits are just like rare cards. So I basically just got a bunch of rare cards from that pack. It was amazing. It usually does not happen. I think it's pretty rare. Oh, progress, but I do want that checkpoint. Do not forget about the checkpoint. Yeah, I want that. Imagine if I fail again. Nah, I work from home. Yo, though. I wish I worked from home. Bro, that's so cool. What do you do? Are you kind of like a accountant or something like that? Teleport. I'll just eat all these and then teleport again. Yeah. Your Facebook broke. Bro, just post your picture on Discord, man. Easy as that. We know you're handsome. Stop it, bro. We know you're handsome. And this is the end, right? It's almost the end, I think. Man, that is it just me, or is that flag going crazy? It's going wild. Holy moly. That's funny. Everything is just so slow and smooth, but that flag is just going crazy. It took me 13 minutes and 48 seconds to get to this one. I'm not the fastest guy, but I guess I'm trying. So let's go to the next level. Return to hub. Hopefully the progress does get saved, I think. So now I can go to the green bus stop. Right here, yes. Kickball Central Park. Now, I basically work for Samsung making themes and wallpapers and icons. Yo, so you're kind of like a graphic designer, huh? He's so handsome, Lamau. I would stream with a real face cam if I looked that good. And he does do sports too. This guy. I know you look good. Looking for a bus pass? I heard someone lost one while swimming. All right, everybody, it's settled. If we get to 50 followers, Miami Wheatmore is gonna face reveal on stream, on my stream, right? Right, Miami? I don't know what to do here. It's kind of like a ramp. Maybe I can make it to the other side. No, absolutely not. I didn't really even make it halfway. Okay, so I'm just gonna kick the ball over here. That should make it, yes, absolutely. That was easy. Ah! No! Don't fall. Don't fall. Please do not fall. So far, so good. I've been having a lot of fun with this game. It's only $10 on itch.io. So if anyone is interested. I'm just completing the missions. That's it. I'm not actually going for 100%. Now, if you want to as well, follow Pika on Twitch if you want to get into those meaty giveaways. You might get a God Pack yourself. That's not going to do it. That's not going to cut it. Nope. Wait, what? No, Lamau. And I used to do sports. I'm chunky now. Oh. Are you a solo family bag eater, though? That's a real question. Ah, there we go. That made it. That made it. But the second one is so far away. No. I tried to cheese it. There's no way I'm making it over there like that. Oh, I get it though. I'm supposed to. I don't even know. I have to think. This game makes you think, and I don't have a brain. I have an idea. Maybe that'll work. I'm gonna use the Cassowary to fly over there. Or better yet, I'm just gonna kick him. Yeah! Uh-oh. It didn't work. It didn't work. There is a checkpoint on that side, right? No, there is not. So I gotta figure this out. Definitely. Maybe like that. And then what do I do? How am I gonna make it over there? Is there like a green back to this? No. On the other side. I'm gonna make it. Ah. Maybe if I do it like really close, like that. That's the closest I can get, I think. It'd be cool if you could charge your shots. Yeah, no way that's gonna ever work. Catch me, Cassowary. I'll down a family-sized bag of anything, no problem. Can you jump and glide some and then... Oh my god, that's such a good idea. Pika, you're a genius, man. I'm gonna try that. That's probably what it is. You're a freaking genius. Yo! It worked! You're absolutely amazing, Pika. I would have never thought about that. We got the checkpoint. We made it! We made it! The buttons around the city will lower the water level. There's no water! What are you talking about? The buttons? What buttons? I'm just gonna... Oh. I'm so mad. I don't like benches. Ha! I hate benches. They're always filled with chewing gum and nastiness. Okay, so this should be an easy one. So I just kick you like that. Yeah. I want to be on the other side of this. I want those chips. What's up with dude over here? I want to try something. I'm going to kick the pangolin towards him. What is going to happen here? Oh my god! Someone call PETA. He's beating up animals. Maybe try the right platform, the lower one. Dang, Pika big brain. Peen stain. I like problem solving, haha. Lynches. Was I supposed to kick the pangolin here? I wasn't, right? I don't think so. I'm just grabbing the chips. Oh, there's a button right here. There we go. So there's probably like a secret underneath that swimming pool. But I'm not doing secrets. I'm just doing the regular missions. Maybe if these videos do well, I'll do the secret events and whatever. I'll complete the game. Grab as many chips as I can. There's a camera. What happens if I kick you? Well, I hit you with my ball. Nothing happens. That's just decorative. A decoration. There's a bat. You found an item to go in the hub. A bat. Nice. I'm finding all the secrets now. That's easy. What is lenches, Miami? I've never actually heard the expression. Should I just reset here? Yeah, I'm just gonna reset. I was lost. Oh. Didn't I thought I had the other checkpoint enabled. Oh, I missed it. Whatever, it's not a long trip anyway. Bounce, bounce. Then use the Pika trick. That's what I call it. The Pika trick. Nice. I thought I had enabled you, man.